So our first Healthy People 2030 goal is attain healthy, thriving lives and well-being while being free of preventable diseases, disability, injury, and premature death. And this just encompasses all of the things that we have recommended and proposed throughout our entire presentation. Things such as increasing screening, increasing access to healthcare, preventative care, increasing access to healthy and nutritious foods. One way this community is actively working on this goal is that they have implemented the SRTS in their elementary school. And this program stands for Safety Routes to School. And the initiative is to get children to walk 1 mile to school and from school each day, which makes 2/3 of their recommended 60 minutes of physical activity that they need a day. And data has shown that the children who walk to school have higher levels of physical activity throughout the day. This program has presented an opportunity to this community to address these negative health trends that we have seen and create an environment that benefits and support the community. Increasing pedestrian and bike traffic improves air quality and facilitates community interactions and community economic development. These benefits have multiplied, and the effects that they have, it has resulted in healthcare and transportation cost reduction, not only for families, but for the community as well.